Yo, Wagwan people, Wagwan. Wanna deal with this? Your boy JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. When I getting a big entrance, have no music up play or anything, cause it's late at night. And me see Bugsy post something on him Instagram. Me follow Bugsy on Instagram. Me see Bugsy post something on him Instagram, like a new video drop. And I say, right, I'm not reacting to Bugsy song yet. Like Bugsy, anybody who know me personally knows say yo, Bugsy is, if not my favorite UK artist, I'd probably say in my top 3 favorite UK artists of all times. Bugzy Malone. It's just something about Bugsy. In motivation is just different. Anything the man sing about, him actually do it. Like anything him say him go do, him actually do it. When him say yo, him go buy £1,000,000 house, him go buy him Bentley, him go buy this, him go buy that, and him actually buy them out of music, you know. So I have to take off my hat to Bugsy, and the fact that him have basically in background is Jamaican as well, because in one of him song him talk about him brother, him cousin Dane we get drop off on bus at Jamaica and dead. So Bugsy are one of my favorite UK artists. So Men 3 been out since August, but I'm gonna react to it. You know. So before we do anything else, people, jump in another one. So I listen to Men 2, I listen to Men 1, but I never listen to Men 3. I'm not going to lie. Never listen to Men 3. If I did, I would not be reacting. So I'm gonna jump into that one here. We know it's not gonna be deep, because this is Bugsy we're talking about. Bugsy that tell him story. That is why I rate Bugsy, because Bugsy tell him story in one song. You understand? So I could jump in and see what I go on. Let's go.
Yo, it's Bugzy Malone. I see as soon as I got to the hospital, the nurse.
So this is after him crash, because him crash where they though. Him crash off him bike. And when him crash off him bike where they. So let's see, man. Come on.
Nurses told me I'm lucky to be alive. 3 weeks later, I get a blood clot in my chest. The shit nearly killed me. And now I'm back. They don't call me the king of the north for nothing.
Bugsy are the king of the north. Bugsy are the king of the north when it comes to music. Not Manchester side, Liverpool side, them side there. Him are the king for so. Bugsy are the only UK artists who do it big from up there, so. Like, obviously other artists do it, but Bugsy do it big. Bugsy do it on an international level from up there, so. Normally they're from London, the man them do it from, but Bugsy are dealing with wicked. Let's go, man.
Watch this. Alright, so mommy used to sell herself. Drop a couple rocks into a pipe and light it up. Think I didn't come from hell. My old bestie said my head's gone. It must be mental health, but
Oh. So him say, his mother used to sell herself, and basically she used to smoke crack. Also, him say, his best friend say, something about he come from
into a pipe and light it up. Think I didn't come from hell. My old bestie said my head's gone. It must be mental health, but
him say him bestie say him head gone. It must be mental health. That video I gonna be a very long video, because I'm gonna break down everything what I'm saying in my own words, you know. Bugsy, I'm a G, so I have to break down him track. Big up myself, I'm a G. 2 months later your track, but sorry.
got killers in my family, in case you couldn't tell. And I didn't want to see them niggas, so I got it hella stealth. And when I saw those idiots, I told them by myself that I don't fear nobody. I still got ups that want me.
Man say, yo, me have killer in my family. Me have killer in my family. But he don't need no help. Him say, when him say the ups them, him tell them, say, listen, me I go do it by myself. Yo, grimy.
Bodied, but them man are still living in a cell, and if I have to go back there, I swear I'm going in. I pray a lot these days in case I have to sin. I tell them till my mouth goes dry and I need a drink.
So Bugsy been to prison. Bugsy been to prison. This is not gonna be a normal reaction, you know, because I'm gonna break down everything, you know. Bugsy's been to prison. So Bugsy basically, Bugsy say him have a lot of ups in a prison. A lot of ups in a prison, and if him have to go back there, it's gonna be a problem for them, because him not got him foot got up on them neck. Let's go.
Sleep well these days, I never miss a wink. And no, I didn't catch the virus, still this pain in my chest. A court case coming, fuck fame for a sec. I'm gonna have to stand and take judgment again, but I can look.
Him can never catch the virus, him just have a pain in his chest. But him say, him have a court case forwarding For what? Why am I have a court case for? Can someone please leave in the comment section why Bugsy have a court case? Because I never even know him have a court case. And basically, I have to go stand in front of a judge again. Him say, yo, him famous and everything, but fuck that shit. This is real life thing now, like court case. So let's hope he don't go back to prison, my G. Let's hope it's not that serious, my G. I know him do.
Couple things I never said out loud, I've just been living with it. I gotta speak hard, though it's fucking with my spirit. A school tie around my neck and hanging from the ceiling. He burst into the room, I was embarrassed when he see me, so
ooh, so basically my son try to take him life, him try to kill himself, him try to harm himself. But somebody burst into the room and he was embarrassed when time them catch him. I do that. That youth, this is why I'm rate the youth. That youth come like M.E.N in a grime. That man just talk everything where him say things when nobody else not gonna say. That's that brother just different. And him accent, I like the up not accent.
I put it to my wrist and yeah, I slit it. Didn't cut it deep though, I gotta say I shit it. Her mummy was a nitty, but when I heard she turned one of her customers into my dad, I gotta say I really nearly did it, but
oh, the man say him cut him race, but him never do it deep enough then. You see me? But the part of my part is him say his mother was a nitty, mother was a cat, mother was a junkie. And the part that hurt him most, at one time his mother turned one of the man them where sell drugs or something like that in a father.
He was a nitty, but when I heard she turned one of her customers into my dad, I gotta say I really nearly did it, but
one of our customers them. So if she's a nitty, who could be our customer? Oh, she used to sell her body. She used to sell her body and she turned one of the customer them in I'm father. Wow.
I told myself I would never do anything silly. I told myself I'd take it out on niggas that fuck with me. And that's why I never lost. And that's why I'm a boss. And
man say, me just take out all of my anger. Because obviously me mad with when my mother do to me. So I take out all of my anger upon people who mess with me. And that's why I never lost. That's why I'm a boss. Me not lose fight. I believe he was an amateur boxer also, so you know, say him can look after himself, him can take care of himself, you see me? And him got a pen, him got prison quite a few times, you see me? I real at it. Rate him, man.
And that's why I was the first one to rep my city. I got fake friends talking like I don't show intelligence, like I didn't demonstrate due diligence.
Man say me have fake friends that chat shit. Fake friends do not chat shit, brother. Like say me never show no love. Like some never show due diligence. What I did it. Don't try to drag my name on the dirt. Know yourself. That's when man I say, yo, fake friends. No, say not fake. Like go eyelash. You see me? On the fake.
Man telling me about my residence, like I couldn't give a green light and leave no evidence. Place in the Louis, waves under the Dewey.
You man say, yo, don't think me soft, brother. We could have easily give a green light for your life. And leave no evidence. You see me? So I could have bust a head. Or I could have said a man go bust a head and leave no evidence. But I chose not to. The watch out. Shaja. Ice.
Skeleton Kai, so I can see through it. See these levels to this British shit. And me, I'm top tier. Any talk of me not being a legend stops here. When the car pulled up, I knew that we was crashing.
Ooh. The man said, yo, right now, not the British music, I'm up on top tier. So any talks of me not being on top tier on a liar. I'm most of different planets on the on Pluto, Mars, Jupiter, somewhere else on there, Uranus, somewhere else on there. I'm up on top tier, brother. I'm up on top tier. Try and know that. Work speaks for itself. My numbers don't lie.
Any talk of me not being a legend stops here. When the car pulled up, I knew that we was crashing. And at the point my life was meant to start flashing.
So basically, this is one time him crash. So I say, yo, when the car pull out on him knows him not go crash. And at this point, this is where him life should have started flashing, but you don't know him still there, by the grace of God, you know? Wasn't your time, brother, wasn't your number. You're still there, my G.
Blacked out, woke up on the concrete with feathers everywhere. The Montclair was ragged out, me I had it mocked out. Now I got bleeding on the brain to say.
Man say, yo, me did frazzle out, me mash up. Look on them. Them say I'm bleeding on the brain. Because when them crash me, they see the picture of them in the newspaper and thing up and they Google me and said, Jano, Bugsy dog, what you do to yourself, brother? Sometimes you need to take time to dog. Sometimes you need to take time to Bugsy. Big man thing. Because I see you post some picture more time, some video more time. When you drive out the fast car, them and thing fast and you ride the bike, them reckless. Bugsy, remember say, you're a person that people look up to now, my G. So you have to take your time on the road, my G. You have to take your time, brother. You have to take your time, brother, and act responsible, brother. Because you don't know that you are a public figure now, my G. So and kids look up to you, brother. And big man look up to you same way. So you have to bear that in mind, brother. Yes, we out there and want to have fun, brother, but there's safer ways of doing it. You see it?
Same shit that killed my cousin, yeah, I swear I miss Dane.
Oh, that's Dane. Oh, that's Dane. Yeah, the little youth at Dane. Yeah, because I always hear him sing about Dane. Said Dane go back to Jamaica and, you know, lose him life and thing. Jump off a bus. And said the same thing I kill him cousin. Crash accident, man.
Couple niggas turned out to be fake, but I'm too rich to argue these days, so I just give it space on the hospital bed. The morphine on me tripping.
Morphine is not a nice drug, you know. Morphine make you high. Morphine keep you high, brother. Man say, yo, on the hospital bed, the morphine has me away. You have to drink some water, man. Morphine is not a nice drug, brother. I know that.
Giggling at nothing, into reminiscing. Crashed doing 70 without wearing a helmet. Believing God or not, there's no denying a blessing. I was on the ward, slowly healing.
That's 70 miles per hour, you do, brother. With no helmet. This is what I'm telling you now. You need to be able to self, dog. You need to act more responsible than that, brother. But that's what you learn from this, my G. Which I know say he is a smart youth, so I know say you learn from this, my friend. You see me? Now RIP to Dane too. You see me? Enough pain that youth I got through, you know. And I'm putting that music. I'm channeling through music. And that I love about Bugsy. Bugsy channeling pain through music. And that are the best type of artist for me. That is why Bugsy is in my top 3, my top 2 UK number 1, the UK artist for me. You see me? Any artist where you say like can write a story, like them real life story in the music, my type of artist them there. Yeah.
Lay on the bed and my chest was beating. The blood clot passed through my heart and into my lungs, and the pain was a deeper feeling. I shouted for the nurse, I could feel myself leaking with a
Oof. Yo, you see that? You see me top boy? You see me top boy? This thing is not a joke, you know. The man said blood clot passed from him. Yo. What do you hear me say? What do you hear me say a while ago? Alright, let me pull it up and make you hear him say.
My lungs, and the pain was a deeper feeling. I shouted for the nurse, I could feel myself leaking. Lay on the
Listen to what him say again. Just listen to what him say again. Listen to what him... I'm trying to picture this.
bed and my chest was beating. The blood clot passed through my heart and into my lungs, and the pain was a deeper feeling.
Blood clot. Passed through my heart and into him lungs. The pain was a deeper feeling. You could have dead, you know? You could have dead, you know, brother? But you're there, you see me, your dog. Just give it some banging tracks, brother, like always, brother. You're known for that. Just give it that, brother, and the high quality video then there. We always a game and dog. Just give it that.
I shouted for the nurse, I could feel myself leaking with a face full of sweat. Could barely catch my breath, even though I knew I was hanging by a thread. I told the nurse that there's no way I'm dying on this bed.
No way I'm dying on this bed. Me a wall on, me no want to see a bright light. Me no want to see a coffin. That now go on. Even though me know say yo me a hang on by a thread. Yo, me feel every word where the man a saying. Yo, me feel every word where Bugsy a saying, dog. Me can't say this enough. This is why this youth is one of my favorite UK artists of all times. Everybody have them favorite and everybody. Bugsy is a storyteller with him life story. I love that about the artist G. Me feel every word when the man a saying.
Fuck that. Now I'm by a thread. I told the nurse that there's no way I'm dying on this bed. Fuck that. Now I'm supposed to feel weak. For some reason, though, I feel like a Wolverine, like a...
Yo, the man say, yo, I'm supposed to feel weak. Nurse, fuck that, man, I did today, no? I'm supposed to feel weak. But right now, me feel like a Wolverine. Ready. Me feel like a Wolverine, dog.
I smashed the side of the car up with my physique and left a big boy dent in the concrete.
So what? This is not in bike crash? And I bike crash? This is the car crash one? This is the car crash? So Bugsy have two crash? Bugsy never bike crash and a car crash?
Like I smashed the side of the car up with my physique and left a big boy dent in the concrete.
Oh, this is the car when crashed into. So the car pull out on him basically. So the car wrong. The car pull out on him then. But you still have speed with no helmet. That dangerous for you to me, G.
He put me in the newspapers and magazines. You better recognize a legend when you catch a sneak peek. It's not the first time I shed blood out on the street, but the way they taped it off, it was like a murder scene.
Man say it's not the first time he shed blood on the street. They know say yo him doing crime before and blood and people mother ball and anything up on the street, but it's not the first time, but you don't know. Yo, Bugsy different dog.
Fucking Bugzy Malone. 2020. The fucking resurrection.
Resurrection of the B. Of the BM. Yo, resurrection of the BM dog.
Yeah.
Yo, me rate Bugsy on a different level. Me can't say it enough. And me can't wait for him new song drop. And new song lead me to this. Because me say, yo, long time me not go check out Bugsy YouTube page and see when drop last. And it was this. And it was 2 months ago. At the time when I'm doing this video, 2 months ago. Me never know that. Hi Bugsy, you haven't posted in a long time. Actually, gosh, I know you won't see this, but this is some fun message. Hello Bugsy, I'm feeling really down, and listening to your music actually made me want to keep fighting through these depressing thoughts. Come back stronger, my guy. Yo, fans really love him. Fans really love him. Hey man, haven't seen any posts or anything from you. You're a great inspiration to a lot of people, including myself. I pray you're okay after your accident. And I hope to see you continue to thrive and create music. No matter what, be inspired to keep going. You're a remarkable person. We need you, brother. Hope all is well. Yo, you see the man I really loved. There's a message from him fans them in a dog. May I read them? May I read them? Got them touching. Yo, Bugsy just different. Bugsy just different, dog. Bugsy just a different 𝐂𝐏𝐿𝐒 fish. Bugsy a different. Bugsy's a different caliber artist. Bugsy a different caliber artist. Leave in the comment section if you want me react to any more Bugsy song and which one is your favorite Bugsy song so we can react to it. Resurrection, man. Yo, Bugsy I'm a G, dog. Bugsy I'm a G, brother. Bugsy I'm a G. Bugsy, if you watch this, or if you watch this, my G, just look after yourself, my G, and big up yourself, yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm a G, dog. Yeah, I'm a G, brother. Just know that, yeah, I'm a G. Top 3 UK, top 2 UK artists. Top 2 UK artists. Even for me personally, even the best UK artist, for me still, I'm entitled to my own opinion. I know that. So big up yourself, Bugsy. Guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, man. To the channel, I mean. Yeah. Big up Bugsy. A link to the full song would be in the description also. Yeah. Bugzy Malone, M.E.N 3. Link will be in the description. This video does have me last. At the first I watch it. First I hear the song, yeah. But yeah. Big up. Now what I hear. I'm gone. Now late. Bye.